Hi, I'm Gloria Campbell with Advantage Training Systems in St. Petersburg, Florida, telling you how to put references in your resume. The thing that you want to do is always include references on a separate sheet. Don't ever make it part of your resume. One, it's subject to change, and then also you really want the person looking at your resume to focus on what your accomplishments are and what you've done. Put references on a separate sheet. Once you decide who you're going to put on the reference list, and here's some ideas. You might want someone from your former employment. You might also want a personal reference, a friend, or if you were involved in any type of civic organization or some type of, let's say, a networking group, you may want to put a reference there. Make sure that if you're going to put references on there that you have the individual's name. You might also put an address, or you'll need an address on there, and a telephone number and an email address now is also preferable. Make sure that you contact people that you put on a reference list and let them know that their names are on there. And if you give that to someone, let them know who may be calling. I'm Gloria Campbell with Advantage Training Systems in St. Petersburg, Florida. You can put a reference list on your resume, but there are some rules that you want to observe.